found a love
A coaching class in Lucknow.
for me.
Different schools.
Different worlds.
Darling, just dive right in.
Somehow, we kept noticing each
Follow
other.
my lead. Well, I found a girl,
She used to top every exam.
beautiful and
And
sweet.
he used to call me topper,
I never knew you
just to
were
annoy me.
She hated it.
waiting for me.
So I called him genius
Just kids when
We
we
competed over marks.
fell in love, not
secretly
knowing
waited to see each other every day.
was. I will not give you up this time.
One rainy day in 2008,
Kiss me slow.
I finally called her.
Heart is over,
He asked if classes were cancelled,
and in your eyes, you're
but we both knew
That wasn't the real reason.
baby. I
after some time we both admitted we liked someone.
the dark
But neither of us wanted to say the name first.
between my arms.
When she asked me the name of the girl, I turned her name into a rhythm.
We were just kids.
Our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered
We grew up together.
underneath
College, chartered accountancy, law, horticulture, masters,
Exams.
failures.
Years passed.
Sometimes life felt stuck.
Well, I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my
We
dreams.
knew
I
our
hope
story would not be easy back home.
So we decided to begin again.
A new country,
A new life.
just the two of us.
to carry
We came to London.
Without knowing, this city would become our home.
carry children of our own. We are still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds.
For the first time,
Life slowly started becoming peaceful.
we found careers,
We found friends.
and after all those years,
We
finally found each other.
18 years later,
The boy and the girl from Lucknow
are finally getting married.
Dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in that dress, looking so beautiful.